System errors causing the owc11 library DLL crashes in Office Web Components, v11. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. While preparing the manual steps for owc11 library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the owc11 library, the Office Web Components 11 library. It provides localized unmanaged COM routines for rendering interactive Excel spreadsheets and charts within web browsers and legacy desktop shells. Mandatory for localized enterprise dashboards that rely on localized 2003-era Office web controls. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error usually occurs when Office Web Components version 11 is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of Office Web Components version 11 to replace required files such as owc11 library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing owc11 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace owc11 library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to owc11 library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve owc11 library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.